Hi my friends, thank you so much for joining me tonight, and I'm going to show you guys my nighttime routine and to help me prepare for the next day. If you guys are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for checking out my channel, and I hope to motivate you guys with this nighttime routine. I just want to explain to you guys why I have this basket right here. This basket, I just put things that I'm going to be donating in here. I put it next to the door, so next time I go out and about, I could just take this straight to a thrift store. What I like to do for my routine at nighttime is to just go around and pick up things real quick. So that is what I'm going to do. I just want to say thank you to all the people that has been subscribing to my channel in the last few weeks. I've been very blessed with you guys coming over, and I hope to motivate you guys. And if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. My channel is about homemaking. I do cleaning, cooking, and I try to attempt on decorating. I am not good at it, but hey, we're all not have a strong suit. So decorating is not my strong suit, but I do enjoy cleaning. So I hope to motivate you guys. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I don't know about you guys, but to me, waking up to a clean kitchen is the key to happiness and success for the day. After I get done with the kitchen, I will prepare our overnight oats and the coffee pot. And then after that, I usually try to get the boys' lunches ready to go. At the end of the day, I like to scrub down the sink, and then I'll towel dry it, and then I'll also set out the new dishwasher or dish rag and the dish towel.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Sitting there by the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say.
And this basket right here that's on the table, that is mine and Sissy's DIY projects that we've been attempting to try to do. Hopefully we could post those videos for you guys.
We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Baby, you make me lose my mind like all the time. an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can stay.
A few weeks ago, I had got my Snoop Doo hairnet. It's like inspired 1940s to 1950s hairstyle. If you guys are interested in this type of hairnet, I'll leave a link below. The snoot is really good for your curly hairs. Well, at least for my hair, it helps keep my frizz down. Also, but it's good when you're on your second day hair or even your third day hair, and your hair doesn't want to work the way you want it to work. So it's really nice to be able to just stick it up in this and style it. I just leave my little bangs that I have out, and then that's how I style it. But it's really nice and comfortable to wear. Right here is my trash can. It is full of soapy water. I am gonna soak this overnight because Logan had some fruit in it and I don't want any ants or anything, so I just filled it up with some soap water, and then tomorrow I will take care of that trash can. Please leave a comment below and tell me one thing you guys do for your nighttime routine.
All this time, you're the only reason I'm not chasing highs, chasing highs. What is love? Lately I've been wondering just what is love? What is love? I don't know. No one ever showed me I've been on my own for too long. But if you hold me now, let me into your heart. Maybe I can start to love again and tend to my scars. Can you show me how? Can you love me with all you've got? 'Cause I just wanna come alive.
I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. I'm gonna go ahead and drink some tea and finish folding some clothes. And then first I'm gonna kick Logan out of my room, like before I go to bed sometimes, to help make my mornings a lot easier, smoother. I am not a morning person at all, so I like to try to do these things to help get my mood and my day started off on the right spot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this stuff, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.